In this quick video, I want to show you a strategy, a trick, something that I've noticed. I have not seen anybody ever talk about this, and it is a surefire way to make money. There's no gimmicks, there's no tricks. I'm not going to ask you to sign up for any newsletter or buy my DVDs or anything like that. It's a simple trick that works in the market every single day for low-priced, low-float stocks. And so if you're completely new to trading, all you need to realize is one thing. I'm going to hit play to show you what I'm talking about. So I get an alert that CARV is moving up very fast. So I pull it up. When I pull up CARV right here, I can see that it moved from $9 to $11.22 in 3 minutes, which is a huge move. Each one of these bars represents 1 minute. So in 3 minutes, CARV moved up over $3. So if you look at this, this is basically telling you the buyers and the sellers. Here you'll see LU, and it shows all this is grayed out. What this is telling you is this is level up, and what that basically means is that the stock is about to be halted. The stock exchange will actually halt the stock if it moves up too quickly. It stops the stock from moving for 5 minutes, and then it will resume trading. Now, something that I've noticed is that in the first 15, 20, 30 minutes of the trading day on low price stocks that happen to also be low float stocks, whenever these halts are about to take effect, the stocks generally, almost every single time, reopen at a much higher price, or not a much higher price, but they'll open up at a higher price. So here is your indication that it's grayed out here. See, here you see colors, here you see colors, here you see colors for all these other stocks. So this is about to be halted. It has not yet been halted. So what that means is that you can actually get into this stock and buy it before the halt. Now the reason that I have a clock up here is because if this showed something like 59 seconds or 50 seconds and it's about to switch to the next minute, what happens is that level will then change. It will move higher because every minute the LU threshold moves higher. So if I saw that this was hitting within 16 seconds of that minute, meaning it was going to be halted, guaranteed. So what did I do? Just to show you all how simple this is and how you don't need a lot of money, I created a halt button here that I'll then go ahead and press. And what that does is that bought me 100 shares. So a very small amount of shares. So it halts. So it actually halts very quickly here, and there you go. Trading paused. So the trading will pause for 5 minutes, which I've cut out most of that for the video, and then the stock will resume. So let's see where the stock resumed. So the stock resumed, I bought in at $11.25 right at the halt. Already the stock is at $11.47. So I have already made 22 cents on my 100 shares. So I'm up $22. Now you can imagine if you would have bought 1,000 shares, you would have been up $220 in literally you didn't even do anything. All you did was buy in right before the halt. And then what the funny thing is on this one, and this happens from time to time as well, is you'll notice I didn't sell my shares yet. I noticed that, again, a lot of times these halted stocks very early in the morning will go up much further. And sure enough, there's your LU that it's going to be halted again. It's going to be halted again. So I sold some, but then what I did is I left half the shares. And I'm waiting for the halt. I'm waiting for the halt, and sure enough, it does in fact halt again. So here, with this simple strategy, I got in at $11.25 and sold 50, and then I ended up selling 50, I think at like $13. So I ended up making about $1 to $2 a share, and that was simply on 100 shares. I made $100 to $200. So it's really simple, really straightforward. There you go. So there you go. I didn't realize. So it does actually open up again 5 minutes later at 13.29. So it actually continues higher. So that is what I wanted to show you. Super helpful, super easy strategy to take advantage of. Thank you so much.